Hi, sixth graders. Today you are going to be doing your rock cycle notes. So what you will need is your notebook on page 9, and you will need 3 mini post-it notes and a red, a green, and a blue color. It can be marker, color pencil, or crayon. So go ahead and pause the video and make sure you have those materials. All right. So first you are going to, on page 9 of your notebook, you are going to label each post-it note with the types of rocks. So on one post-it note, you'll write sedimentary, on one you'll write igneous, and one you'll write metamorphic. Then you'll place them on your page like this. So pause the video and put them on there. I would turn your notebook sideways and put them on there. Also, if you notice, I traced the post-it note, so there's kind of a box behind it. That might be important for the next step. All right, underneath each post-it, we're going to write an explanation of the type of rock. So, metamorphic rocks form when the texture and composition of existing rocks changes deep underground due to intense heat and pressure. Any type of rock can turn into a metamorphic rock. Use a red crayon to draw arrows from each type of rock to the metamorphic rock. Label each arrow with heat and pressure. So here's metamorphic rock. So underneath there, you're going to write a little description of what it is. Maybe you'll just write when the texture and composition changes deep underground. Okay, and then you're going to draw the arrows from the other 3 and label heat and pressure. So sedimentary rock can change into metamorphic rock. Igneous rock can change into metamorphic rock. And metamorphic rock, if it undergoes more heat and pressure, can turn into a different type of metamorphic rock. So pause the video and add that information. Next, we have sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks form from weathering and erosion. Any type of rock can be weathered and eroded to eventually form a sedimentary rock. Use a green crayon to draw arrows from each type of rock to the sedimentary rock. Label each arrow with weathering and erosion. So underneath your sedimentary rock post-it, you might say that sedimentary rocks form from weathering and erosion. And then draw your green arrows and label them. So notice metamorphic rock can change into sedimentary rock. Igneous rock can change into sedimentary rock, and sedimentary rock can change into a different type of sedimentary rock. So pause the video and include your information for sedimentary rock. Igneous rocks form when rock melts into magma, then cools and hardens. Any type of rock can melt and eventually turn into an igneous rock. Use a blue crayon to draw an arrow from each type of rock to the igneous rock. Label it with melting and cooling. So put your description for igneous rock underneath the post-it note. Then draw your blue arrows. So notice sedimentary rock can change into igneous rock. Metamorphic rock can change into igneous rock. And igneous rock can melt and recool and change into a different type of igneous rock. So pause the video and include those blue arrows and labels. All rocks can turn into all other types of rocks. Write this on the bottom or top or in the middle of your rock cycle notes that you just completed. Now you are done.